Hey everyone, welcome to another Wexperts University video where we show you tutorials and strategical information on how to use the Rocket Web Builder platform. So without further ado, what we're going to be talking about today is what goes above the fold, how to do above the fold properly. So the first thing that you want to ask yourself is, are you selling products on a landing page or are you selling products on a website? There is a very different and very critical difference between the two. Typically, a landing page, everything above the fold is not going to include a header section. If you look at some of our different blocks and our different templates, and I could actually go ahead and show you them. If we go over here to the funnel section and create a funnel, you could see these funnels are all essentially jammed up with landing pages. That's really what every section of the funnel is. And we can go ahead and preview any single one here. I mean, we could take a look at this one, for example. You can see here there is no header to it, right? There is no header at all. It just simply starts off with the hero, which is the banner. Same thing with this one, for example. We can look at this one, right? It starts off with what? The catchy headline, the image, the product, the call to action. So the first thing you need to determine, is your website a landing page? Or excuse me, is it a funnel landing page style, or is it going to be a website style? Now, don't get me wrong, you can have website pages on a website that is referred to as a landing page, but ask yourself, you know the difference. Is it a funnel page, which is a landing page, or is it a website page? So in our case, this is a website page. So if a website page has to have two main components above the fold, it has to have a hero banner and it has to have a header. Now, hero banners can differ depending on which business that you're in. So if you're in, for example, a clothing business and you're selling lots of different products, maybe you don't want to waste time adding a hero banner because you're not promoting necessarily one product, because that's what the purpose of a hero banner is for. Maybe you just want to promote a whole host of products. So you might start putting things like collection banners, or I could even show you in some of these blocks the different type of blocks we have. You can go over here to add block and you can check. Maybe you're going to add, let's just say, a service block. And instead of these service sections, you can add different images or different products, kind of like this banner here, this section right here, right? So it depends on the business that you have, but you have to understand that everything above the fold is the main call to action for your user. Okay, so for example, if I'm selling a product through a funnel, what's the main call to action? The main call to action is to sell a particular product. So the call to action is going to be there. Buy now, do this, do that, right? And we can take a look at the different funnel sections that, the different funnel templates that kind of exemplify that. Like, so for example, this one is a product funnel, right? What do we have here? We have the product, and then we have the button that says order yours today, followed by, and this is a call to action. This is technically a hero, but this is above the fold, right? If you go to a website, the concept should be the same thing. What is the main purpose of your website? Is it to collect leads for a certain project? Is it to sell a particular new product? Maybe you released a brand new product. That's what the hero is responsible for. Okay, so everything above the fold. So just to be clear, everything above the fold is your header and your hero on a regular website. For your landing page, it's simply just a hero banner. Now, on your header, you can include things like phone numbers, logos, emails, addresses, call to action buttons, menus. All these things are available, and Rocket Web Builder does have these functions available to you. So if you click this little plus sign here, you could see we can add a add to cart button, we can add code, we can, tracking code, icons, search, right? A search function, separator, social media text, and all the other features we have here. So there's a lot of things you can add in a header. And remember, there's a slight deviation between the two. So that's how to do the hero properly, everything above the fold properly. And remember, your hero has to include your main call to action, right? So if you're selling, if you have a one product store, your main call to action is what? To sell that one product. Let's just say you have for example, a website, and you release a brand new product that you want everybody to know about. That's going to be your call to action, right? Everything's going to change. Let's say, for this website, for example, as a business, let's say you run an electrician business. You're an electrician, right? What's your main thing? You want to get out there and you want to give an estimate, a free consultation, whatever. Those are things that are going to matter as well. So depending on your situation, that has to be above the fold, okay? So hopefully that helps out. If you need help with anything, check out Rocket Web Builder. Message us through the support. contact us. We're going to help you out, build your website, and get on here and build your own website. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.